This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.
E te iwi, nau piki mai, nau kake mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga a whakaata Māori. Ka mihi ki ngā maunga, ki ngā wai, me ngā ahi kā o tēnei rohe tēnā koutou katoa. Ngā kai whakahaere me ngā kai whakataitai, e mihi mahi ana hoki ki a koutou katoa. Ko wai ngā tīma i te rangi nei, ka ko ngā taitamatāne o Rotorua, te tīma o te haukainga, no te papaioia, te tīma ngā manuhiri i tēnei rangi, nō reira ākua nei, ka timata tēnei pakanga kai wainga nui i ēnei tīma. It has been a massive season for both of these teams, and straight up we'll get into the Rotorua Boys High School team. First we've got number 1, Mason Barry, number 2, Tavake, 3, Taufo, 4, Wasp, 5, Phillips, 6, Howe, 7, Rasmussen, 8, Rogers, 9, Omua, 10, Painga Morgan, 11, Mills, 12, Waititi, 13, Warbrook, 14, Owen, and 15, Chapman. Off the bench, we've got Tau Ili, Pele Salsa, we've got Love, we've got Te Wake, we've got Phillips, we've got Hatu Edmonds, Huriwai, you've got Conroy, Frederick, and the coach, Courtney Mita, me te kai whakarite ko Jeremy Te Huia. Going over now to look at our team from Te Papaioia, Palmerston North. We have number 1, Max Hill, 2, Madden, 3, Illenfeld, 4, Stevens, 5, Webb, 6, Skirman, aroha mai, 7, Greaves, number 8 is the captain, Ollie Reid, number 9, Mitchell Hopper, 10, Walker, 11, Cullen, 12, Miller, 13, Party, 14, Fonua, 15, Rudolph. And in the reserves, we've got Eamon, we've got Bell, Eamon again, Hauraki Moss, Kuokata, and Cookie, and the team coach is Dan Turnock, with the team manager, the kai whakahaere, is Liz Gray. And this match coming to you from, well, 2 seconds ago, I was going to say a beautiful day in Rotorua, but it looks like the raindrops have just started falling, and we have coming onto the field now the Kaitaki, or the Kai Wero, in other parts of the country, commonly known as the Rotorua boys prepare to come onto the field. And we'll get a bit of a listen to the goings on here. From Raukura, and reference there made to Te Korokoro o Te Parata, the whirlpool that the Te Aroa Waka encountered on their journey from Hawaii. And in the middle of the field, the Moaska Cup, one of the oldest schoolboy trophies, up for grabs in this match. won in battle between Rotorua and Hamilton. Tērā tūtau. Last year, Rotorua wrestled the cup away from Hamilton Boys, ngā taitamatane o Kirikiriroa. Ka whakarite ana mātou I nainei te haka o ngā taitamatane o te papaioia, ka whakarongo ake tātou ki a rātou. E miharo te kite I rā haka, e whakapakari, e whakaore-ore I ngā taitamatane o e rā kura. Miharo ngā kaiako, e whakaako I a koutou, I a rātou, I we rā haka, orira mihi ana, e mihi ana. Whew, what a way to start a match e te whānau. There's going to be plenty of mana on the line today between these two teams, and if we look at the table at the moment in the Super 8 rugby competition, we have the 8 schools of Hamilton, Napier, Rotorua, Palmerston North, New Plymouth, Gisborne, Tauranga and Hastings. Top of the table we have Hamilton, next up Napier, then Rotorua and Palmerston North. But because there's a massive trophy on the line here at Te Whānau, it's not going to be like any old game today. So the MāORI Cup up for grabs. A little bit about the MāORI Cup at Te Whānau. And before we go into those little bit of things, let's go to our sponsors and quickly give them a quick mention. That is Whakaata Māori for bringing us this coverage. Bailey's, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects, Me Anka, Mihi atu kia rātou. So standing by for the kickoff. But one of the quick facts about the MāORI Cup, coming from the name MāORI, meaning camp in Arabic, and that was brought about from World War I when Allied troops were based around MāORI near Ismail in Egypt. There we go, te whānau, something for Saturday morning, and ka timata ke te kēmu o peha tērā whanai te timatanga a kare I tino rawe ki te timara, no reira ka timata anō I te nonoke, rima iwa mita, te roanga o tērā whana, no reira ka whakawhiti atu a tātou ki te kēmu anō, kei roto i te ringa o te tama no Rotorua, koi atu ko tahu aumua tērā. Ka whangaia e ia ki roto i te nonoke. And looking again, Rotorua with 5 matches played, 3 with wins, 1 draw and 1 loss. That draw coming to the last game that I commentated actually, and that was between Hamilton and Rotorua, and it came down to the line, and Hamilton sneaking in with a minute to go on the clock. So once again, another big match, and 1 loss obviously coming into, must have been Napier. There we go, ball out to the right, ki te taha matau, and slightly behind pass, and so Palmerston North, ngā taitamatane o te Papaioia, halt the momentum there and managed to get up and push over that ball and get onto it quickly. The Jackal was there and managing to get the turnover. Te rirohanga ki tōna tima, kari kitei i te nama o te Tamara. Engari, tata ki te 22 mita. Te pai piro o Rotorua i naine, kei roto i te ringa o Mason Barry, te nama tahi, aroha mai Max Hill, te nama tahi mai te Papaioia. That's number 1, Max Hill from Palmerston North Boys. And up they go, out to the middle of the line out there, number 8. Bring it in, Ollie Reid, that is the Kai Kapene, the Kapene o te tima. And in the hands of Max again. Not making too much movement there. And taking it up strongly, but some good defence. Tariki Rogers over the ball there. Drives through. But calling a high tackle. He Rutu Teitei. Rutu being the tackle and Teitei being a high. Nō reira, ka hoatu te pōroa te kai kāpene ki a Manaya Rudolph. He hononga a ngā Rudolphs ki te tai tokerau. Kei reira e tahi o ngā tupuna. Ko tai mai ia, mai Hiamana. Ko ia tētahi o ngā whanaunga pēr, a Manaya Rudolph. Kupu anō he reo, he ingoa anō ko te rurafe. Tēnā, o reira kia whakaritea e ia, te whanatapiri, te whanahāmene. Ka titiroki ngā kai wawao tautoko ka hikina ngā haki. Ai, whakai ana rāua. I pai tērā whanahāmene. Whanahāmene being the penalty kick as opposed to a conversion. Whanatapiri. Nō reira, out to a good start here e te whānau. 3-3 ki te kore kia te Papaioia, Palmerston North. And in the hands of the number 15 there, Loki Chapman for the restart. Kia timata anō a Rotorua. E whanaroa tēnā. Ka whai e wā te ana te papa I reira. Oh, wonderful work there! Mai te tama o Rotorua. Tēnō pōturi, te whaka wehe, te whana I te pōro. Nō reira, peke ana tērā tamatāroa roa rawa atu. O ai tēnā ko te nama te kau mā toru tēnā ko Hiwa Warbrick. E miharo e tama tō terenga ki tērā whana, ki te aukati. I tērā whana, nō reira. Te tatauranga I nei ko te rima, ki te toru. Whiti mai anō, paki ana te rā, atu I te Rotorua nui o Kahumata Momoi. Beautiful sun peeping out. We thought it was going to be a bit of a showery one e te whānau, but the sun has blessed the whānau down there in Rotorua, but that kick not as blessed. Obviously a big gust of wind's just taken it away to the right hand side. I'm sure that the young man kicking it there had it down the center of the posts, but unfortunately solid gust of wind sent it off to the right. So 2 points in the match at the moment. Rua ta tauranga rereke kei Wainganui e nei tima. E whanaroa anō a te Papaioia, engari ka hopu kina e ia. He rawe e whakawātea, e whanawakawātea. Kei reira te nama whitu, Rylan Rasmussen, engari kei reira ngā kai tautoko e te kai oma. He rawe tērā chop tackle, hey, miharo. There's some punishing defence going on there, but the ref, he hasn't given us what the call was yet. It is head high tackle seen there by the referee. Looks to his assistant referee for the mark, and it looks like Papaioia Palmerston North are going to look to the corner, and they've found it as well. Not a bad little kick there, young fella. I think that's the number 10, Chance Walker, and indeed they took a chance and came up trumps on that occasion in the hands of Max Hill. Matua Puke, ke rite ia ki te whiu I te poro. And again to that tall timber in the number 8, Ollie Reid, I do believe it was. I believe it was. Te whānau. And the Rotorua forwards doing what they need to restrain this attack. And at the back of the ruck, they're playing advantage at the moment. Penalty advantage. But they'll have a go at it without a doubt. They've got to. No offload available to them, but they'll look again if they can recycle this ball quickly out to the left. I'm not sure why the ref stopped them there. They had numbers to the left. But anyway, they come back. Perhaps the ref saw, no, that wasn't going to happen. Or a knock on, perhaps. Coming in from the side is the signal there by the right hand of Kaiwawao. That's the referee for those that are still learning te reo. Kaiwawao, referee. And they're going to have another crack at it a little bit closer now. Only 5 instead of 10 metres out. Matua Puke, Max Hill with the ball in hand. And 2 times now successfully gone to Ollie Reid, number 8. I reckon they'll probably mix it up. But he's been successful, so why not go to him again? And there he is. They surround him. And there's a great push on here. It's under a bunch of bodies. And Rotorua doing enough to get underneath their ball and hold it up. So that'll go out to a 22 dropout, I do believe. And great to see the passion of the young players there. You can see what it means to them. The prestige and history of the Moaska Cup, held at the moment by Rotorua. It's been a while since Palmerston North's held on to that one. Good drop out to the 40-metre line, but brought back with a good carry. But the man over the ball, Tauranga Rogers, unable to snaffle that ball. Great word that, snaffle. You don't hear it. Oh, here he goes through the gap as the number 12. And is he in? Bata tiki ga kaiwawau tautoko. Kei te taha. He. Ka puta kiwaho. No reira, e miharo te oma a tērā tama Eric Miller. Te nama te kaumārua. He feud ora watu. Naki te kāpena. Tauranga Rogers with a good carry. Bumping off left and right. 3 men I think he took out, and then was able to get back to his feet for another 50 centimetre gain. Giving good forward ball to his number 10, Reia Painga Morgan. Fantastic exit out of the danger zone. Mainga tama o Rotorua. Raukura. And hey, fourth time's a charm. They go to their captain again. No, they switch it up and go to the number 6 this time. That is Jonty Skirman. And they had just about got over the line last time. They're going to give the backs a run here. With a switch round the back. That 13's been carrying strongly, who is Caden Pardy. And I tell you what, if Palmerston North are able to get the Moaska Cup, Party is what's going to be happening in Palmerston North tonight. Inside ball, read well, wasn't able to get it away, but he's found his feet on the ground, but the ball's been ripped. I suspect the ball carrier wasn't released by the tackler, and so hence the penalty. That's multiple penalties now going the way of Palmerston North. They've had plenty of opportunities and perhaps taking the 3 points. It is a big game at that close a distance, but they won't have another crack at it. And why not? We like seeing tries as opposed to kicks. For those young guns that are just tuning in, back in the 90s, there was an ad, don't kick it, pass it, which tried to encourage, obviously, people to have a run rather than kick the ball all the time. Rugby in the past, commonly known as kick and clap. Do a good kick, and the audience gives a good clap. But that time, unfortunately, the ball, taka whakamua, that's our kupu for knock on. Taka whakamua, taka is to fall, mua is forward. So if you ever hear someone saying to you, neke whakamua, that means move forward. Neke whakamuri, move backwards. Now we're going to have a look at this nonoke and see who's going to be going mua and who's going to be going muri. Last time the scrum was set, it was fairly even. Great scrum there by both teams. The floor is going to hold up. The ground, sorry, the grass. Yes, it does. Good carry there. I think that was the opposite winger. No, number 12 from Rotorua, Pau Waru Waititi. And ball bouncing up nicely there for the fullback. No, a bit of a razzle-dazzle by the man from Papaioia. That's Michael Fonua. And the flick back didn't quite go to hand. And unfortunately, when the dive went down onto the ball there, Tavake wasn't able to rein it in. So looking here, they're going to have a run it out from there. Hey, why not? And let's see the wheels on this young gun from Papaioia, Manai Rudolph. And solid defense there by number 5, Nate Phillips. Little niggle there in the back of the ruck, and the ref says Haere tonu e Hoama. And solid carry. Is he able to get his? Yes, he is. Gets his legs to ground. Tackler rolls away. Ball presents itself. Number 9 there, Pace Mitchell Hopper with the pass off the back of the ruck there. And again, men on his left-hand side out to that winger with a little chip and chase. Whanawhaia. A little bit of a late effort. Oh, he's found plenty of grass. Is that going to be a 50-22? Yes, it is indeed. At Tefano and the ref. No, he disagrees. He says it was just before the line there, Tefano. But the crowd, on the other hand, that they thought with absolute certainty that was a 50-22. Luckily, it was just enough of a gust of wind to hold that one up. Tefano, so to Papaioia now the chance to bring it out from their 22 line. Kei roti te ringa tuke anō, Hill with the throw, unable to be pulled in, and that is Tavake. Patelisio. And to the right, Rogers. Pick and go by Phillips. Oh, well timed on the tackle. No, it wasn't well timed according to the ref. He said that Webb went early. And so Rotorua are going to go for the scrum, and that is not a bad idea, E Te Whānau. But in a tight game like this, when you've got an easy penalty right in front of the posts, whew, good on you, boys. Back yourselves. No doubt we'll have a split on the attack. These are always very difficult, but my money is on Te Ariki Rogers going to the blind side. We saw when he carried before, 3 men to take him down, this close to the line, and that hungry with a bit of Moaska might pushed inside as well. I reckon he might push himself over the line, but hey, I could be wrong. Ka whakariti te nonoke, ka puta te poro, kia wai, kia Te Ariki Rogers. Engari, ka rite, kua rite rātau ki aia, me tōna oma. Kia Nate Phillips tērā, aroha mai, Wasp. Over the top, you've got Barry protecting that ball. Tavake with the carry. Kawai ana i te poro. Ka pātai atu. Yeah, it's always a difficult one when you get stuck in a ruck. There we go. That sounds like a good t-shirt name for a rugby brand. Stuck in a ruck. Especially if you're a forward. Oh, it's the worst feeling. And tataki te rārangi. Te rārangi piro. Engari, ka taka whakamua te poro. Ka hoki anō. Ki taha matau o te whira. Kare I whakawātea. Te kairutu. So the tackler not clearing the ruck. And Rotorua now having a little look here. Why not? Why not? And you can see by the touchies flag there, a little bit of a breeze. Is there so much of a breeze that it's going to make it difficult for Rotorua to get this ball into the line out? Hopefully not. This close to the line. And Te Ariki Rogers, middle of the ruck, middle of the maul, sorry. O he rawe te nekehanga o Rotorua, tata ki te rārangi piro. Oh, pāteitu, ka tau te poro, ki rungi te papa. Ai! E piro kei a Rotorua, me haro o rātou nekehanga. I kare au I te tino kite ko ai te kaipiro. The try scorer wasn't able to spot the number. Also, it's fun if you want to give any shout-outs today, tukuna mai or shout-outs ki runga I Instagram for you young bucks on Facebook if you want, or you, I won't say old bucks, but all the whānau at home that aren't young fellas that are using Instagram. You can get us on Ethan Smith NZ. Chuck us your mihi and I will give them a shout out over during the game e te whānau. Tukuna mai o reo mihi. So now points climbing to 10 to Rotorua with the conversion. Te whanatapiris looking to come around. And hard win to judge e te whānau. Last time I thought he tried to take that into consideration and I think the wind just died completely off. 3 points to 10 to kau ki te toru. And Palmerston North multiple times right on the line of Rotorua and unable to convert. And so as they prepare now for the kickoff, a long one down, taken near the 22. Hopukina ana e ia, te kai tākaro o Rotorua. Ka whana te nama iwa, whana teitei. It's a high kick going in. Engari, e ai ki te kaiwa wao. E hāmene, e haere ana. Kāre au I kite I ona ringa, hei whakamohe atu kia mātou hea ha te take. I tukuna atu I hoatu tērā hāmene kia Rotorua. Engari, kei tata rātau ki te haurua. Pai te patu atu I te pōro, I tōna hoa. Kei wainganui te whira I nainei. And nice carry there, mai te nama whā, Luke Wasp. Looking for carriers. Carriers are not to be found. Good work there, almost coming up with the ball that time. Ollie Reed, that is. High ball. Who's under it, Michael? Oh, that's a dangerous bit of movement there, Etefano. Hopefully the young gun's all right. You can see him moving about there, so that's a good sign. That was Michael Fonua going up with purpose. And having been in those situations a few times, going up, and it is a little bit scary when you get hit in the ear and no one's, someone takes out your legs. So mihi ana ki aia, me tōna maia, ki te peke ki tērā poro. And we see the team come together from Te Papaioia. Ko te tahi o ngā mea rereke o enei pāpāhotanga. Ia te wā e mamai ana e tahi o ngā kaitākaro, kare I āta titiro ki aia, nā te mea kare mātau I te hiahia kia whakararuraru I tōna whānau. Nō reira, kia te tiro ake tātou ki ngā kaitākaro. I tēnei wā, kia whai whakaro atu ki ngā kaitautoko o ngā kemu. Ko whakata Māori tēnā, ko Baileys, ko Caltex, ko Nativa, ko Polo Projects, me Anchor. Nō reira, mihi atu kia rātou. Thank you to our sponsors there on screen. And also to the great effort shown out there by the young players from both sides. Now, penalty awarded on the 50-metre line. Somebody's been sent off, I do believe, due to the dangerous tackle. And that was number 15, Etefano. From Rotorua, Loki Chapman. And now we have the ball coming the way for Rotorua. Oh, a little hold up before the kick to get him a little bit more room, and that probably helped them get a little bit more distance on the kick. Pressure coming in there on the kicker, but cool as a cucumber. Just takes his time and steps the first. Tepe titaha ana ia. Friendly little push over there by the young man from Rotorua. Give us some space, mate, he says. And Ollie up again. That is Reed. And reading that line out, he did indeed. Moving it swiftly to the right this time. Through the number 10, the man that got taken down in that high one. And Tariki Rogers over the ball like lightning. E hoa mā. Kāre I pai atu I tērā mahi a te kāpene o Rotorua. A Tariki Rogers. Ki te hopukina I tērā poro. Nō reira, kei a Rotorua te poro I nainei kia whana atu ki te taha. And a few raindrops coming down on the lens of our camera there, showing the varied weather conditions in Rotorua today. And as we see it just go a little bit dark, that means the clouds are blocking everyone out. We look at the crowd as they sit there. It's plenty rain jackets on, plenty of warm clothing needed. Ngā kākahu mahana e mauana inga. Oh, lovely clean out there, but was it from the side? Yes, the hand travelling like that describes the person clearing out the ruck, coming from the side of the ruck, not coming from the back. And he got hit hard, the number 8 there from the Papaioia, Palmerston North. So, Palmy on attack now. And they've had probably about, look into our stats man, which we don't have a stats man, but by my statistics, which I've been tallying up on my piece of paper here, this is the third, fourth, maybe even fifth line out down this end of the field. And unfortunately, not able to be picked up that time. Solid defensive effort coming in from Eric Miller there on the strong carry from Tavake. And the nice short ball by the number 1, Barry from Rotorua. Looking for some options to carry. Gets an option in Paufo'u. And partially charged down kick. Oh, unfortunately, bobbles through 2 pairs of hands and playing advantage now. Te nama iwa, whangai atu ki tōna tima. Going backwards with this carry, no one really going forward on the, except for this moment. Number 15, Manaia Rudolph with the chip forward. Hasn't been bobbled. What's the call there? Taken back over the line. So, he nonoke, rima mita te tawhiti ki te pai piro. 5 metre scrum from the line. Whangaia a Papaioia. And we thought they were going backwards, Papaioia, on that occasion, but they managed to get it around the Rotorua back line. Often those passes just probably needing to go a little bit forward in front of the players to give them a chance to run onto it. Engari, they got there in the end. The ref's not seeing that niggle going on between the halfbacks. Rotorua halfback just getting himself into the space. Just trying to upset the balance, coming off the back of the scrum there. And ball goes backwards, carry on. Playing advantage, I think, was the call. Offside, perhaps. It's a couple of penalties in quick succession. Getting up a little bit too quick off the line. It's quite evident when you're right on the line with a scrum like that, you must stay behind the line. Easy to spot by our touch judges there. So for the 6th time now, I think they'll have a crack at it, and why not? Good on you, boys. We want to see some tries. That will take them, if they can score it near the post, with a good opportunity to level up this game. With 28 minutes gone on the clock now. They go back to the captain, fantastic Ollie Reid. 5th time he's taken the ball in a line out, and they managed to wriggle around the side, and there it is, e te whānau. Over she goes. Ko tau te poro ki te pai piro a wai mari e a te Papaioia. Kick to come. 8 points plays 10. It's going to be a tricky kick from this side of the field because, as you can see by the flapping of the flags, there's some gusts going on out there, te whānau. So, in the hands of Manaia Rudolph, tērā tama, he uri ia no Wilhelm Rudafepau. He uri au hoki no tērā tupuna. If he can nail this one, the young fella, we'll have to give him a round of applause indeed, because it is a tough kick. He ua te whanau tēnei poro. Oh, rawe tama. Ka hiki na ngā haki, a ngā kai wawao tautoko. The supporting referees lifting their flags in agreement, unanimous agreement. And so here we go again, e te whānau. Last time we called it here in Rotorua, it was a draw between Hamilton and Rotorua Boys. And now, and with the Moaska Cup, whoever holds the cup, if it's a draw at the end, that team continues to hold on to it. Whoever's the current holders, whoever are the current holders. Straight over the ball. Excellent effort there. And the pop to the back. Looking to have a run again. Oh my gosh. Putting pressure on themselves with some unforced errors there. Te Papaioia. And they'll look to clear it. Some good chasing coming in there by the boys from Rotorua. Ngā taitamatane o Rotorua. Engari, i pai te whana whakawātea, the clearing kick. No reira, kia whakaritea. Patelisio Tavake ki te whiu i te poro. And then we have the number 9 at the front of the line out. A bit of a trick going on here, I reckon. Look for the pop to the front man. No, goes long to number. Didn't catch the number, Te Whānau. To the back of the line out. And unfortunately, that ball toppling forward, and then a Rotorua boy was in front of the man who knocked it on. Offside the call with the waving of the arms there. 2 hapa. That's our kupu for offside. 2 is to stand. Hapa is incorrect. Or mistake. Often we hear in Te Ao Māori when trying to learn te reo, no mai te hapa, which means to welcome the mistakes, because without making the mistakes, it's hard to make the corrections. Here we are now with Rotorua, about 39 metres out. Papaioia with ball in hand, managing to snaffle that ball in the line out. Going across in the line out, I think, was the call. And so it's only a free kick. We see that with the difference of the bent arm as opposed to the straight arm. So, and the referee has called no tap was made. Unfortunately, simple little errors like that could end up being costly in the end. But hey, better for them to make these mistakes at this level than by the time they get to the All Blacks. So that mistake made there by the young man may well pay dividends in the long run for Aotearoa New Zealand. And some dark magic used there by the number 9 from Rotorua, just trying to upset the apple cart of the number 9 from the Papaioia. And fifth, the bounce of the ball was fortunate. Comes into the hands of Caden Party. And Caden with a fairly decent clearing kick. And we can hear the tangi o ngā pahu. The drums banging out there in the grounds of Rotorua here. Casually step forward, up. It's going to go to the back of the line out here. And pop around the back. And that could well be called a high tackle. No, it was not, even though he was scruffed by the shirt, collar. Carry on, the ref says. And the ball's come adrift now. There's the number 14 with ball in hand, Michael Whonua. Good tackle made on him. Ka titiro ake ki te taha matau. To the right side it goes. Pass around the back and some quick defence coming up there by Tariki Rogers, shutting down that play, but they've managed to retain possession this time. The little number 9 looking for a chance. That's Pace Mitchell Hopper. Ki te taha matau anō, and the big man, number 3, Luke Eilenfeld, carrying, going to ground this time, unable to, and ref says carry on. He's come through the ruck and he's gotten fair enough chance to take that ball. Clearing now. Twinkle Toes moving the ball, trying to find some space. And the Rotorua number 2 there, I think it was Barry in fact, with the carry and the support there by his players from Rotorua Mai Te Timara. Gets over that ball, unfortunately unable to elicit the turnover. Long ball coming out now. And a little chip as well by the number 14. That is Awanui Owen. First time we've seen him into the action. And our cameraman got a little bit excited there. He wanted to be in on the action, hence the close-up. And that, e te whānau kua tai, ki te hau, ki te wā. E whakawātea i ngā kaitākaro. No reira kia utonu mai e te whānau te kau ki te kau, kei wainganui e nei tīma kei roto. Te rohe o Rotorua.
The best kind of people I want to interview are the ones that have got something really significant to say.
The new season of award-winning Current Affairs.
It's really about having a conversation and listening.
Te ao with Moana, ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
Action! You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy up there, baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies, ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
Hey.
Sport is about more than just a game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
What makes selling with Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home we sell. Enhancing and lifting the energy of your home to achieve the best possible result. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Reira, he mea huatu tēnei kia rātou. Hei kura, hei tiki mō rātou. Hei whai ake i ngā kahura.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whai take aku whea ko Pauri, hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raura, ki Māori Plus.
He won't be working in my restaurant when I get one.
I don't think anyone else would put up with him.
It's too scared.
Shut up and go.
It'll be one hell of a show. Oh, there's no other way but keeping it later.
Only one Robert Redford here, Beth.
That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
The best kind of people I want.
No mai anō e te whānau. Let's go. Just like it said in the adverts there with our whānau from Rotorua, in fact, from Arataua Productions. Mihi atu ki a rātou. Rotorua now with the ball in hand and possibly with the wind at their backs, which might make it a little bit harder to make those, a little bit easier, e te whānau, sorry, to make those conversions. With the kickoff, we have Loki Chapman back onto the field after being sent off there in the first half for that challenge in the sky, which brought down the number 14 from Te Papaioia. Quick hands, te tere o ngā maka, mai ngā tama o Te Papaioia. He rawe te maka tērā wā ki tōna hoa, ki te whana, ki te whakawātea. Now that is Chapman again giving the ball inside and looking for some space, but the white wall of Palmerston North's defence absolutely punishing the attacker. But doing enough this time, and onto the field we have Cash, Moss, aroha mai e te whānau, te irimana Hatu Edmonds Huriwai at halfback now. And he's asking for players on to his left. Look at him barking some orders there to his front row. It always cracks me up that the usually the smallest fella on the field, the number 9, absolutely dictating like a little general Napoleon, if you will. Telling the biggest boys on the field, get to where you need to be, brothers. And there it goes up and contesting in the air. What's the call there? No, fair game in love in war e te whānau. So the ball's now in Palmerston North's hands. Swinging out to the left-hand side. Good defence on the number 3 there, who is Luke Eilenfeld. Arohatu ki tōna whānau, if I'm not getting the name right. Once again, send me through. If I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, send it through on Instagram and te whānau. I can make sure that we get that right. That is Ethan Smith NZ on Instagram and te whānau. Oh, lovely! Chip and chase, but he's isolated. Nobody is there within kui of him, but the one man that was there with him manages to support him sufficiently with about 3 Rotorua players. Shows immense strength. Great little dummy and go by the 13, Caden Party. Looking to the right, the taha matau I tēnei wā, and Skip and Mania Rudolph having a go there. Slammed to the ground. You can hear the Rotorua crowd with the big defence call, but Palmerston North are going to use it as fuel for the fire to be able to get over that try line, because they know they want the Moaska Cup. And do they want it more than Rotorua? Time will tell. He goes to the ground at about 18 metres from the line. Holds, waiting for the defence, and great speed off the line there by Te Irimana Hatu Edmonds Huriwai with support from his number 2, Tavake. Looking to the right now is Pace Mitchell Hooper. And swarming defence there, trying to get him over the line. There's a man from Rotorua lying in the way of the ruck. Is he going to get pinged? No. The ref says no. Fair enough. He can't get out of there, mate. He's trapped. Good carry there. 2 men from Rotorua over the ball. Oh, my word. What fantastic defence. There's a moment there. The referee's setting a mark. He's going to... Who is the penalty going towards? Just having a word to the sharp eyes of the far touch judge there. Both the captains going in to ask the question. A couple of specimen of young men, the captains from Rotorua and Papaioia. Referee now Giving the finger. Come over here, I'll give you the word, mate. And what he said is, now, what I think might have happened there, Te Whānau, is the man was stuck in the ruck, and the number 9, taku kitenga, ka taka ia ki runga i aia, i te tama i runga i te papa, ka taka tōna pona ki runga i aia. Nā te mea e hohana ia, nā tōna takoto, pe wainga nui. Kāri ia i tere te whakawāte i te poro i tērā nama iwa. Nō reira, ka tukuna te hāmene, ka hoatu te hāmene ki a ngā taitamatāne o Raukura. At the halfway we are, and the number 2 and the number 3 standing by as their other big boys come in, and it goes to the number 5 there, Nate Phillips, old Nate Dog. There we go, short ball, but wrapped up, and it probably just wasn't brought in. How's the wheels of this man? Stutter step, but great defence. Tries to hold him up. Has he done enough? No, the ball goes to ground now, and that was done by the number 11, Cole Cullen. And looking for the crossfield kick. That win, they didn't anticipate the swing of it, and the show and go not quite on. He's on the ball. Has he done enough? Yes, he has. The man from Rotorua, number 14, Poaiatu, or Awanui Owen. Well, you just showed them, Mr. Owen, how to do it. Tackle, back to your feet, quick as lightning, over the ball, gets the turnover when his team was under the pump. Now it's over, and they're back into the Palmerston North side with the right territory to set up a good attack here. Often with these pressure games, 10 plays 10 is the score. The smallest mistakes can only be made when they're in the opposition's half. Now Rotorua, the Palmerston North half now, ready to attack. Taps the ball back. Ka patu i te poro, rawe te whiu, te maka a tērā nama kauma rua, Cass Moss. Looking for support players. That ball very low, but well taken by the number 15, I think it was, Loki Chapman. Swinging it to the right, left again. Carry there by Tavake. Not too much support there for him. Now they look to clear the ruck. And that's a knock on. So the ball's gone over to Papaioia. He didn't have enough support there in the ruck. The ball bounces backwards, and the ref says, no, hold up, wait a minute. Let me get my 2 steps in it, and he brings them back to the area of interest. And the initial knock on that came about. Ko te take I hakararuraru I tērā nama iwa, kare I āraitia a ngā taitamatāne o Rotorua I te poro. Nō reira, e kaha tō rātou haerenga ki runga I te poro a te Papaioia, whakararuraru I te nama iwa. Nō reira, te whāngai a te nonoke te nama iwa I nainei a Pace Mitchell Hopa. And with conditions such as these, a little bit of moisture over there, they must have their number 2 sprigs on, you know, the long ones, because with this kind of grass, quite easily you can slip away. And congratulations to the groundskeepers, because they've done a fantastic job. We haven't seen too much slipping. They haven't had to reposition any of the scrums. So mihi ana kia rātou. With that, we'll say thank you to all the parents all these years, taking their kids to their trainings, supporting them, waiting for them. And here we are back in the action. Nice short ball to the number 12. Good carry. Support there by the boys from Papaioia. Swinging it now. 13 with the ball in hand. Good carry, but great tackle by the number 14, Awanui Owens, sorry. And ball pops out. The halfback gets mauled by the hungry Lions of Rotorua as he switches it out to the right-hand side. Good carry there by the lock, but awesome defense by Tariki Rogers. Able to get his feet to the ground was the carrier, and that with a little fend off was Luke Eilenfeld again. And some counter-rucking going on there, and they've managed to snaffle the ball. Yes, snaffle it, e te whānau. And so they're on attack now. Rotorua, good carry there by the number 3, Tau Fo'ou. And looking for the clearing kick. Nice high one. Able to be contested. And makes it past the first defensive player, but gets brought down about 43 metres out from their line. Looks left, looks right. Short ball ready for it. No, holds it, goes to the ruck. And as the light disappears, a little knock-on happens. Maybe there was the change in light. Not too sure. Rotorua with ball in hand now. They're going to look to the corner. Look for a 50-22 is the option there. Zoom out a little bit there, cameraman, please. Oh, the man's missed it by keeping it inside. Oh, doggy. Wow. Their young players is what you need to be careful of to try and avoid the 50-22. The fullback, which we didn't quite see there, try to keep it in play. And nobody was there. So following through as he should was the number 14, Awanui Owen. Little toe on the ball, but luckily Michael Fonua, the right-hand wing, covered up and got back and pushed the ball down in time. But running back with a head full of steam is Tauranga Rogers. And bringing it down to the 22 now, pulling the ball out to the left-hand side. Nice carry, but good defence there by Palmerston North. Carry straight up the middle goes the number 2, Tavake, with about 10 metres to go. And again, not making too much room due to the defence of Kai North. The Papaioia, great little pop pass, but the number 8 was on it, quick as a snap. But the clearing tackle has come in, and unfortunately that ball not finding its target. Long ball out to the right, counter-attack perhaps. He's got not too many people with him, but he's got wheels on his side. Little step, little jink. Has he got people to support? Yes, he does. Number 9 might look to the back because he's going to think to himself, is there anyone covering? Yes, there must be. Otherwise, they would have put the kick over. Looks left, looks right. Goes to the right this time. Long ball. Good hands by the forwards. And the man's over the ball. Quick as lightning. But only one man there. Points to the man and he says, no hugging around here, buddy. I don't actually know what that one was. I think it was the way in which he cleared the ruck, perhaps. I like to think he'd just given him an inappropriate cuddle. That's what's gone on there, Etefane. Lovely clearance kick there. Kareo I te mōhio, ko wai te kaiwhana, engari he pai. And as we look at the tohu o te taiao I reira, the wind's dropped off. Look at the flag from the touch judge there. Not too much wind action happening in this occasion, so should have a good line-out throw. It's been back and forth, e te whānau. With about 12 minutes into the second half, long ball out, skip ball, short ball now, goes through, but good defence. I think that extra roll almost helped them get out of that, but the strength of Tauranga Rogers over the ball, and his feet were so fast, his body couldn't catch up with him, so he slipped there in that first occasion. Bring it out to the right, Tamatau. Good carry, good support. Looks again, another carry by Tavake. Good work over the ball by the opposition captain. No, it wasn't, sorry. And just loose foot there, falls over the ball, but had support in with him. Kia utonu, kia mau tonu rātau I te poro, ka whangai atu ki taha matau, ka taka te poro kei MΑORI. O he rawe te oma te nama te kaumā rima, te furupeke. O he rawe te nekehanga o ona waiwai te nama tahi I tērā wā, ka whawhai rātau. Almost getting in the way there, upsetting the apple cart. And number 8 over the ball there. Is he able to snaffle it? He has indeed. And that's the 4th time we've got to say snaffle today here, Tefano. I love it. Try and put it into everyday usage, Fano. Let's bring it back, the snaffling. Snaffle a few apples from the neighbour's tree. Don't do it, whānau, don't do it. Anyway, back to the game. Good carry there. Tavake, and the arm goes out, and I'd imagine that is for a head-high tackle. Carries again, number 12 to the number 3 from Rotorua. That's Paufo'u. And he's over the ball, but a clearing player coming through. Carries again, rolls forward. The Papaioia boys looking a little bit tired now. They've had to put up some pretty decent defense. And Rotorua have been up to the challenge in supporting the player. Here we have 5, I'd say 10 metres, 15 perhaps. Grass cutter coming in. Tapahi, te pātiti, tērā whaarotu, tērā rutu. Look to the right again, and a pick and go. And he's quick over the ball as the number 9. But unable to get there quick enough. The support from the opposition number 9 clears him. Looks to the right again, and great defensive effort there by the number. Didn't catch his number, but I think it was number 15. Flying up. But he couldn't elicit the same. That was 15, sorry, Tefanu Hiwa Warbrook. Couldn't do the same thing to the captain. Too much strength. Shifts to the left. Little bobble, but regathers. That is Tavake right in front of the posts. By my statistics, that's about 75 million phases there, Tefanu. That's not an official statistic yet, Tefanu. That's just one that's been pulled from the atua. But they're not giving up. Oh, clear gap through the middle. Not able to find it. Tino tata rātou ki te rarangi pera. Oh, tino rau e te au kati tērā wā wāhinga. Whakaritea ngā kai. Whakamua anō ka. Tau te poro ki runga I te pai piro e te whānau. Nā wai atu ko Tavake. Pa te lisi o Tavake tērā no Raukawa. Pau te hau e te whānau. Te rawe o e rā tākoro kei wainganui e rā tīma, e nei tīma. Me haro. Yep, 75 plus 1 million phases later e te whānau. Rotorua, with the help of their kai tautoko, their supporters, getting the boys over the line, and the number 15, Loki Chapman, I think it is, converting that try. Hoo-wee! Mihi atu ki ngā kai tautoko ana I tēnei kaupapa. Of course, without them, we wouldn't have this exciting commentary e te whānau, and also we wouldn't have this coverage, so our whānau from further afield, such as those whānau from Te Papaioia, who may have something to be done today, couldn't get here, support their boys, but Whakaata Māori's here for you. Bailey's are here for you. Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects, and Anchor, we're all here to let you watch this fantastic coverage brought to you by the whānau Go Media there as well. Hoo-wee! Miharo e te whānau. And you can hear the support chants coming in ngā karanga tautoko ki te kapa o te kāinga rā. Long kick down received by the number 14, Awanui Owen. And let's hope these chants can lift the Rotorua boys. Long kick down by Chapman. But bringing it back with equal amounts of intensity. But, ooh, what's the call here? A little tap forward. Ooh, good boy. You were lucky or the ref and not me at te matua. Yep. Kari au I mau I aku mōwhiti tēnei wā e te whānau kari ki te I tērā takahaka mua. Nō reira, he miharo te kite o tērā kaiwawao. Just saying the the referee, great eyesight there, picking up that knock forward, because many of our viewers on the sideline, probably not as close a view as him, might have had other views. Naka whangaia te namarua te kau I nai nei, mai Te Papaioia. Cash Moss onto the field with space to burn. Oh, lovely tackle by the number 12 from Rotorua. Who was that? That was Tāwaru Waititi, he miharo e tama. Because that man was gone. Like all good things, if you don't put them in the fridge, gone. Hey. Oh, he's got some opening here, the number 13. Does the Māori sidestep straight through the middle of the defence, but unable to carry on. Good carry, bumps off one there. Max Hill putting in a good effort to try and bring down Rogers. Moving to the left now, ki te taha MΑORI. Ka maka te poro, whai rātau I etahi. Oh, where te whānau, ka teka whakamua e te poro. Oh, where e te whānau. Oh, e tino, hikaka na rātau ki te rawe o tēnei kemu. Ka haere ki te awhi, ki te tautoko I o rātau tīma. E, ka hoki anō, a te kaiwawao. I etahi atu hapa. Great carry. But the referee has said there's something that's gone on there, Te Whānau. I can see the captain running over to ask the question. Hea te raru? I imagine when they picked that player up and dumped him, maybe the reason. No, offside. There we go, Te Whānau. He's looking at his touch judge, and his touch judge is telling where the mark is. There we go, Rotorua. 35-minute long, these games, Te Whānau, so it's going to be 70 minutes total. So with my mathematics, with my calculator out, whānau, that's giving us about 15-14 minutes to go in this game. At 17-10, it's still anyone's game, but Rotorua have been a little bit more successful with the mauls today. Te angitua na rātau, te wā ka whakaritea, tēnei nekehanga. And strong carry again. Tata ki te rārangi piro. And they're trying to get to that ball with a counter ruck. All the effort thrown into that. And unfortunately, takahakamua te poro. But they're at the right end of the field to make mistakes, and they are up by 7 points. So Palmerston North, with a gargantuan effort, about 95 metres to get to the Rotorua line. They've only got a scrum, which means they still have to win the scrum, be able to make a clearing kick. And as we can see by the bright white shirt of Cash Moss, fresh to the field, going to look to clear. I'd imagine the number 8 might even have a look at running down the side here. Let's have a look what's going on here. And the ref says not too sure what the ref says, as we weren't on the ref at the time, but hey, ka whakaritea no te nonoke. That's nonoke, that's the name for a scrum Te Whānau. So whenever you want to call for the scrum, if you're a player in the game, you say, as he says, kick or scrum, you can say nonoke, and if he doesn't know what you're talking about, you tell him to tune into whakaata Māori so he can learn the kupu Te Whānau. Once again, ka whangaia, that's the feed whangaia, Cash Moss, tērā nonoke. A little tap on the hooker's arm there, signifying for him to put it in, and they're going to have a little run here. Solid shot there going on by the number 12, and over the ball, you had the Rotorua in there, but he was pulled over the ball, losing his balance. They're going to set themselves up in the middle of the field. What are they going to do here? Look for a kick. There it is, straight down the middle. Ke Wainganui I te Papatakaro. Wonderfully taken, though, by the number 15, Loki Chapman. Chapman with the Māori sidestep, straight through the middle. Able to stay in the field of play as well. Maka te poro ki te taha MAORI. O he rawe, te kawi te poro. Lovely clearing of the ruck too, but the referee has said coming from the side, holding on to the ball it was. Holding on to the ball. Oh, there's a little bit of shirt grabbing. I like your shirt. I like your shirt too. Look, they're trying to get each other's shirts. Fair enough too. They're all great shirts today at the whānau. Referee's asking the question. You can't have a shirt, bro. If we switch shirts, I'm going to get confused. So keep your own shirts on, and I'll be appreciating of that. But actually what he said was, hey, fellas are getting a bit feisty. Get out te MΑORI. And the penalty, te hāmene, kia te papaioia I naini. Get out te feistiness. Get out te MAORI. And as we know, get some keen beans. Luckily, our cameraman didn't just get taken out by that beautiful kick there. And we saw with the hands there, we've got a couple of fresh feet coming to the field. And off goes the number 3, John Pofo. And on comes, not too sure the numbers, but I can see that there's a headgear. You can tell by the extra white shirts they've been using this is not a plug for Nappy Sand, but a product that gets the extra white. It's been used on the Palmerston North shirts. So you can see whenever a new player comes in. Fantastic. Into one of the locking positions, I believe. And is he going to get the ball first up, the new man onto the field? Spring in the legs, or they're going to get to the front of the line out? Yes, they do indeed. Same man. He is a tall tower. Ball was tapped back. Yes, the good question there. Hands went up. Was the player taken out? The ref says, haere tonu, that means carry on. Oh, he tries to step and get away from the big shoulder of Tavake. Wasn't able to. Oh, good shot there by the number 5 also. That's Howe. That's Howe. Sam Howe is Howe. Carries the number 7. That is Jack Greaves. Looking to shift it to the right. Taha Matau. Ball's being passed straight to the player and not in front. Not sure about that one at whānau. I think that's the number 22 that's fresh on the field. Not sure what happened there. Quick tap and go. Interesting one to do there. Good carry there. Avoids the big shot. I think that's number 18, Archie Amon. And some real good sportsmanship shown there by Rotorua, checking in on the injured man there from Te Papaioia. Unfortunately, she's a rough game, the old Futuporo. And sometimes when you get the ball and you don't even know, or someone gives you a pass, you get hit and it hurts, e te whānau. It hurts. But luckily, you've done your warm-ups and your adrenaline's high. It's not till about a couple of hours later where the hurts come in. But that's where, not promoting it or anything, but kava has been used by many professional athletes to help relieve the pain from big games. One of the advocates for that was Ruben Wiki. After code, back in the day, they used to bring it in, his bowl, and share it amongst the manuhiri that came in to whakaata MāORI so that they could all relax a little bit before the hype of the show. 10 points to 17 is the score e te whānau te Tauranga te kau mā whitu ki te kau with about 7 minutes and 19 seconds to be exact according to the game clock on the screen, which isn't a lot of time, but it is lots of time. If it was a basketball game, well, that's about 6 hours. They can take timeouts every break. Anyway, back into the action. A young man, got a new man on the field as well, into the tight 5. Not too sure who that is, but off goes Wills Madden, I think was the number 2. Sorry, Max Hill. It's gone to the side. We've got another man at number 8 there. Not sure of his number, Tefano. Give it to you as it comes. Off the back of the scrum now. Te Nonoke. Makaroa tēnā. Looking on the inside. Chapman bringing in the ball from the pass of Awanui Owen. And the referee says, no, you are not entitled to that. You've got to release the tackler. For those new to watching rugby, and I don't imagine there'd be too many of those watching today. Kare he maha o era, e mātaki ana I tēnei kēmu. Engari, once you make a tackle, you must make a clear release of the player before going for the ball, and the referee, by his indication of his hand signals, says they weren't clearly released. You can hear those joyous chants coming in, and Rotorua in the right position for a joyous occasion this afternoon. But hey, fortunes can turn at the flip of a coin. But great effort there, and the referee, the whakaia na ia, ka tau te pōro ki ringi te papa. Nō reira, ka hikina te tatauranga o Rotorua, te rua te kaumārua. Ka re kore, e riri ana ngā taitamatāne o te papaioia I runga I te mōhio. Kia u etahi o ngā ringa o Rotorua ki tērā taonga whakaharahara a te Moaska Cup. And with this kick, me tēnei whana, me whakawhānui I te wehenga kai Wainganui I nei tima. Ki te kaumā whā, engari, ka re whakararuraru e nei kupu ki te kai whana I te pōro I tēnei whana tapiri. Nō reira, mihi ana kia ki tēnei tama Chapman. Ka kite I te kaha o te pupuhi o te hau. Was going straight down the middle until Tawhiri Mātea had other ideas. So with 12 points and 2 tries, 2 converted tries to bring it back, it's a bit of a task. But hey, 5 minutes is a long time if they get into it straight away. They've got the energy and they've got the heart. Then hey, anything is possible. Key here for Rotorua is not to let the opposition have an option to come back. Holding on to that ball is probably a good start to it. And getting those passes out of the way is probably a good start as well. Long kick down. They've got a long way to bring it back, and I'd suggest you run it and don't give it back to them, young fella. And they can just keep doing this all day, playing the territory game. Palmerston North are the ones that need the points, and giving it back is probably not going to be beneficial for your chances of gaining that Moaska Cup at whānau. Rotorua, on the other hand, beautiful finding the grass there. Is that one going to go too deep? No, it's not. And for about a minute now, we've just run down the clock. And Rotorua with a benefit here. And they're going to look to hold on to this now, without a doubt. Just run down the clock a minute and a half. Rotorua now with the ball. Oh, he sees a big gap through the middle. That's the fresh man on the field. Prince Love going straight through the middle. And he gets pinned though. Oh, lucky to not have the ball lost. Tata ki te wehe. O tērā poro, lovely step off the right foot by Tawake. Rawe tepe titaha. O mihare te kawenga o tērā tama me te makatuarua. Offload. Shifting it to the left again. Fast feet of the number 12, Waititi. And Rotorua. Ko eke ki te taumata o tēnei kēmu. E whakai ana te kaiwa wā ko tau te pōro ki runga I te papa. Oi atu ko Warbrick pea te kai whiwhi I tērā piro. He rawe ngā maka o tērā tima no Raukura, no te Rotorua nui o Kahumata Momoi. Kare kore, I toa, a Raukura, tēnei kēmu. Kare he wā, ke whaka potongia I tēnei wehenga. Peha te pupuhi o te hau I tēnei wā. Kare I whakatū aroha mai I ngā haki. Nō reira. Kare I whiwhi. E rua ngā piro. Nō reira ka whakairiti anō te papaioia ki te whanai poro. Timata anō te kemu. Kua tai mai etahi tamahou ki runga I te papa. Hea te aia te kai wawao. E kao. Ka maka I te tama I runga I te rangi. O reira kai a Rotorua te wā, te whaka wātea I te poro. Ka pātaia kawariki, te ariki ki a kai wawao. Ka kōrero ki tōna hoa, ki ona hoa. Me pēhea tātou I nainei. Kāre kore. Ka whakamutua tēnei wāhanga o te kemu. Ka pai. Ka pai te whiu o te ora poro. Roto I te rārangi paitaha. Oh, man's over the ball. Kei reira. Te jakala. I kari I mohio I tahi kupu mo te jakala e te whānau. Nō reira whakamohio mai. E kupu kei a koutou. I runga I Instagram. Ethan Smith NZ. Te ingoa. Ahua pau te hau, te nuinga o ngā kaitākaro o te papaioia. So we'll carry on Palmerston North here with an opportunity now to try and wrestle one back. Fast ball coming out to the new man onto the field. Carries, but is met with some ferocious defence. Big question as to whether that man he was onside. Shifting to the right, and all of those men are in front of the player. But they retire, and here we go with a chance now. There's the fresh legs on the field. That is Curtis Frederick. And he says, "Kia ora. Thank you for feeding me that ball. I'll take it." And with that, the wehenga, the difference between the scores goes out to a 22-point lead after only 10 points, all at the half-time. So all points going to Rotorua in this half. And the wind obviously playing a big role in that. Whatever the coach said to them all at half-time paid dividends. Ka rongo ana tōna tima I ona kupu. Nō reira, ka timata tēnei haurua me te kaha kei roto I a rātou. Nō reira, kua oti te wā o tēnei kēmu e hoa mā. Te mutunga o tēnei whana. Mihi ana ki a koutou I hono mai ki tēnei kēmu. Mihi ana ki wā mātou kai tautoko I te kaupapa nei. Kia whakaata Māori, kia Nativa, kia rā kaupapa katoa, kia Caltex, kia Baileys, kia Polo Projects, kia Anchor Hoki. Mihi ana kia rātou, mihi ana ki ngā kai tautoko. Ko tau atu ki reira, I te tautoko I ngā tima, mihi atu ki ngā whānau. e whāngai ana I enei kai tākoro kia eke ki tēnei taumata. Kāre kore, he nui ngā mahi wa otia rātau, no reira mihi ana e mihi ana. Ki ngā mate o te wā, moi e moi, moi mai rā. Tēnā koutou katoa I hono mai. Thank you very much for joining us today for this coverage from Rotorua Boys. Rotorua coming away the victors, 37 points to 10. Without a doubt, they're in with a chance, coming away with another national title at the end of this year. Tēnā koutou katoa, kia pai, tā koutou rā.
This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.